Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Unplug your microwave for a minute to reset and clear minor electronic glitches if it's making strange humming noises. If the noise continues, the magnetron or fan might be failing. Stop using it and call a professional to avoid serious issues. Never ignore unusual sounds in your microwave.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.